For the past years, we have consistently been recognized by our brand partners as the #1 M&M company in the Philippines in terms of e-load and e-pin sales. This year, we have proven that we are not just survivors. We are warriors, telepreneurs. Ang isisigaw natin, tandaan nyo, telepreneurs, matatag. Sundan nyo nga ako. Matatag, matibay, at mapagtagumpay.
Sama-sama nating palakpakan ang ninang nating lahat, our President and CEO, Miss Mariel Astudillo. TPC family, is that all what you got? Come on! Our loving President, ang ninang ng lahat, Pres Mariel.
Bawat dasal o padadaig sa dagok ng buhay.
Ayan. So, palakpakan naman natin si Miss Aramina. Ayan. Siya yung, nakababata kong kapatid. Sabi kasi ni Denmark, sige, papicture din tayo kay Christine. Pero mas matanda ako eh. So, good morning, telepreneurs. Ayan, magandang umaga. Maayong buntag. Marhay na aga. Maayong aga. Naimbag nga bigat. Ayan. Para sa mga OFW members natin, watching us online, yung sanay na sa lengguwahe ng ibang bansa, buenos dias, bonjour, guten morgen, buongiorno. Okay na po, bumabaluktot na yung dila ko. Today, we celebrate our 13th year. Happy anniversary, TPC family! Ang ipinagdiriwang natin ngayon ay ang ganda at kwento ng ating journey, Telepreneur Corporation. Napakakulay ng ating kwento. Alam nyo, maraming takot sa number 13. Di ba? Sino yung takot sa number 13? 13. Sabi nila, malas daw. Unlucky number. Pero pag tinitingnan ko kayo ngayon, pag iniisip ko yung journey natin, I don't see bad luck. I see blessings. Telepreneurs! For 2025, we have successfully carried out the following. President's Caravan in Bacolod, Cebu, Davao, Pagadian City, and Bicol. Very well attended and supported by our brand partners. Ayan. We also had our intensive training for trainers. Woo! Speakers Bureau, training, and training caravans. Special training caravans conducted by no less than VP Santi. Ayan. Ayan. Launch. We also have launch signal direct loading. At sabi nga po nila, after less than a month, they informed us that we had already become their #1 direct loading partner. Of course, in partnership with Hachiko. Ayan. We also launched G-Fiber or Globe Fiber Direct Loading, and GFP agents. Ayan. Mataas na rin po ang ating sales and activations. We also had simultaneous business opportunity meetings and special trainings every Saturday in our corporate office, branches, and leaders areas with the support of our brand partners. Palakpakan naman natin brand partners natin. We also made our peso credit rate 15 pesos. Fixed rate na po yun. Diba? From tiering, meron tiering na higher percentages, naging fixed rate na lang. Kaya, pwede na kayong maglagay ng tarpaulin sa mga pintuan nyo at mag-accept ng cash-in transactions. We also had various promos for our members in collaboration with our business partners, Smart, palakpakan naman natin, Smart, TNT, Signal, Maya, and Hachiko, Globe, G-Fiber, Dito, Sulit TV, and GSAT. In fact, the representatives of our brand and bank partners are here to celebrate with us. Yan. Palakpakan naman natin ang ating mga brand partners and bank partners. We also had digital and soft skill trainings for members like Canva, presentation, Microsoft presentation, Microsoft Power presentation, Zoom, Microsoft Excel, basic artificial intelligence or AI, and digital marketing content mastery. Ayan. Abangan nyo din next year, we will have more of these trainings. We also launched the S6D6 program last September. Ayan, congratulations to all the S6 qualifiers. Meron ba dito? S6 qualifiers. Palakpakan naman natin yung ating S6 qualifiers. And last November 17, we launched our Kwentong e-loading business featuring the struggles and journey of our leaders on their way to success. Parang pang maalaala mo kaya to eh. Pilot run, but it was very successful. Abangan nyo po kasi marami pa tayong mga leaders at members na talagang napakakulay ng mga journey nila. Merong ups and downs, pero nakakamit ang tagumpay through Telepreneur Corporation. Ayan, pero aminin na natin, hindi po naging madali ang taong ito, di ba? Kung babalikan natin ang dami nating pinagdaanan, there were moments that we were challenged, but we remained resilient. Di ba nabanggit ka ni Mayor, resiliency. We remained resilient and became victorious. Napagtagumpayan natin. The sacrifices each one made, the late nights, the challenges we overcame, ramdam na ramdam po natin yan. Di ba nung 12th anniversary natin, kinumpara ko si TPC sa teenager. Pero ngayong 13 na tayo, official teenager na talaga. At alam naman natin na pag 13, diyan pumapasok ang growing pains, mas mabibigat na responsibilidad, at mas matinding expectations. Maraming pagsubok man na dumating, at for sure, may mga darating pa. Dahil ito na ang nature ng negosyo natin, Pero sigurado ako, wala nang nagdududa sa tatag ng ating kumpanya. For the past years, we have consistently been recognized by our brand partners as the number one M&M company in the Philippines in terms of e-load and e-pin sales. Pinapalakpakan yan. Ilang taon na yan? Baka 10 taon na yan. Malamang 10 taon. Telepreneurs, this year we have proven that we are not just survivors. We are warriors, telepreneurs. Our echoes of excellence, of having outstanding qualities, achievements, and principles continue to resonate, influence, and inspire in the present. Ang TPC po ay hindi lamang negosyo. Ito ay isang matatag na pamilya. When the waves of challenges hit us this year, hindi na tayo natinag. Bakit? Bakit kasi? Bakit? Kasi nakakapit tayo sa isa't isa. At higit sa lahat, nakakapit tayo sa ating Panginoong Diyos. Palakpakan naman natin si God. Lagi tayong ginaguide. We really started from humble beginnings. But with the Lord's guidance and the perseverance of all the people involved, we have surpassed our birth pains, survived the challenges, and enjoyed the journey. Kaya sa mga challenges na hinarap natin this year, sa mga adjustments, sa competition, sa mga personal na pagsubok ninyo bilang leaders at kami bilang management, ang sagot natin dyan sa mga pagsubok na yan ay isang malaking ngiti. Marami nagtatanong sa akin, bakit daw lagi ako nakangiti? Actually, nahihirapan po ako sa photoshoot kanina eh. Kasi pag sinabing fierce, pag sinabi seryoso, nahihirapan ako kasi lagi nga ako nakangiti. Yan po, actually, yung pagiging kalmado at positive thinker ay isang extra power. Naniniwala ba kayo doon? Yes. Bawat isa sa atin could be fighting his own battles right now. It might be personal, professional, family matters, health, and even ang ating bansa at buong mundo ay maraming nararanasang pagsubok sa kasalukuyan. Di ba? Nababasa natin lagi sa news kung anong nangyayari. But we have to remain functional because each of us has his own purpose in life. Let's smile while we can, laugh while we can, love while we can, cry if we need to, pero wag nating kalimutang lagi na maging mabuting tao. Faith in God and in ourselves and positivity will always help us every step of the way. Sa bawat challenge na nalalampasan natin, sa bawat sakit na nararamdaman, mas tumitibay tayo, mas nagiging siksik, liglig at umaapaw ang ating experience, wisdom, and of course, blessings. The milestone would not have been, this milestone would not have been possible without the hard work and dedication of everyone. To our esteemed Board of Directors, palakpakan naman natin. Brand partners, palakpakan natin. Suppliers and bank partners, thank you for standing with us through our ups and downs. To our employees, ang ating team bahay at team office, kasi may mga naka-duty sa office ngayon, 24/7 po ang TPC. Kung sabi ni Mayor, kayo ang gulugod. Ang sasabihin ko, kayo ang makina na nagpapatakbo ng ating kumpanya. Thank you for your loyalty. At sa inyo, our dear city stockists, mobile stockists, system owners, system users, kayo ang tunay na mga haligi ng ating TPC family. Palakpakan naman nyo ang inyong mga sarili. Kayo ang dahilan kung bakit anumang bagyo, nakatayo pa rin ang Telepreneur Corporation. Sa mga awardees natin, congratulations sa inyong lahat dahil pinagmamalaki namin kayo. Palakpakan naman natin ang ating mga awardees. Ayan. At yung mga hindi pa nabibigyan na award, huwag kayong mag-alala. Marami pang susunod na taon na bibigyan namin kayo ng parangal. Sa ating President's Nights, palakpakan naman natin ang ating President's Nights. Panatilihin natin ang tatag ng paniniwala sa kung ano pa ang kayang ibigay ng Telepreneur Corporation sa buhay nyo. Sa ating matitibay na support system, pamilya. Palakpakan naman natin ang ating mga kapamilya at mga kaibigan. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. You also our anchor in our trying times. Kaya ngayong 13th year, baunin natin ang tapang at tibay. We have surpassed the challenges and eventually progressed into a big and valued community. Kung last year ang sigaw natin ay San Docena, ngayon ang isisigaw natin, tandaan nyo, Telepreneurs, matatag, sundan nyo nga ako, matatag, matibay, at mapagtagumpay. Pag sinabi kong Telepreneurs, isasagutin nyo ako ng ano? Matatag, matibay, at mapagtagumpay. O sige, Telepreneurs, isa na lang. Telepreneurs, with conviction. Last na. Kailangan malakas ha. Telepreneurs. Ayun, palakpakan naman natin ang bawat isa. Let us continue to work together, united by our common goals of uplifting the lives of so many Filipinos. Huwag tayong matakot sa challenges. Instead, let's thank God for them. Because without those challenges, we wouldn't know how strong we truly are. With the Lord Almighty guiding us, the sky is not the limit, but the beginning. Here's to our collective dreams, our shared journey, and the many breakthroughs we will achieve together. Happy 13th anniversary, Telepreneurs! Merry Christmas in advance! Mabuhay tayong lahat! To God be all the glory! Ayan, parang may hinihintay pa kayo. May hinihintay pa ba kayo? Ayan. Good news. Ay, kasi talagang ano no, yun na hinihintay nyo. To start the year right, 2026, we will have our kick-off party on January 14. I-calendar nyo na yan sa Fisher Mall Event Center. And that will be attended by our leaders and of course, members and of course, our brand partners. May surprise kaya ang brand partners natin sa kick-off? Palakpakan natin sila para maganda talaga yung kanilang support sa January 14. Okay, ayan, kick-off party. And ito yata hinihintay niyong lahat Naghanda na ba kayo? Yung may gusto nito? For today only. One day, hanggang bukas. From 6 p.m., 6 p.m. na ba? 7:30 na So, one day lang, we will have our MS promo for 80,000 only. Mamaya, parang busy mamaya ang marketing. Okay. Ayan. At we're working on several projects. Hindi lang nakahabol ngayon, pero meron tayong mga susunod pa. Kaya tuloy-tuloy lang ang ating mga projects para sa ikagaganda ng income ng ating mga members. And as promised, dahil 62 na ako this year, halata ba? Sa December 26, 62 na po ako. Teka, tandaan ko nga kung sino yon. So, we will have our, actually, na-draw na. Na-draw na ba? I will be giving 10 6,000 and 1 2,000. Personal po yun. So, na-draw na ba? Ayan, na-draw na. Nasaan yung pangalan? Lahat po ito ng attendees. Oh. You have to draw another one. Kasi wala si Jana dito. Draw another one. Lahat ba to, hindi, one person lang. Lahat ba to nandito? Dapat kasi nandito Lahat to nandito? Be honest. Lahat to nandito? Roan? Lahat nandito? Hindi, si Jana wala dito. I know Jana. Another one. Another one lang. Ha? Okay. So we'll have another another raffle kasi wala yung wala si Jana dito. Pero lahat nandito? Yung nanalo? Okay. Ayan. Ay. Wala si Honey. May Prinsipe. Dalawa na yung i-draw ulit.
Nais po sana namin mag-request kung nandito po talaga ang mga na-pre-drawn, akyat po sa stage, or kung nasa labas po sila, pakisabihan na best. Isa ka sa nanalo ng 6,000 pesos and punta sa stage together with Ninang Press. Let's go! Joel Reyes, Juliet Sarmiento, Melanie Lorenzo, Mary J. De Payo.
Wala rin si Juliet Sarmiento.
Wala rin po. Tatlo na.
Kilala ko yan eh.
Ellen Bayaborda, Vina Helasio Agkawili, Rodena Diaño. Wala rin daw ata si Honey. Honey May Principe,
Ay, congrats.
Lizelle
Ay, Roan yung ano? Roan. Ay, nanalo si Marielo. Hello. Congrats, Bon. Nanalo yung ating... Bon, nanalo si Ellen. Congrats. Congrats. Kaya ka pala nag-PPM sa akin. Baka may uwi ka eh. Si Job, yung ano, envelope. Ayan. May tatlo pa, idodraw. Tatlo. Ang wala si Juliet Sarmiento, Jana Sandico,
And
Honey. Ayan. Pakidraw na lang yung tatlo. Baka yung 2,000.
So meaning to say may tatlong wala pong hindi present tonight. Meaning isa sa inyo ang mananalo ng 6,000 pesos. I mean, tatlo sa inyo ang pwedeng umakyat para kunin ang aginaldo sa ating nag-iisang Ninang Press Mariel. So sino kaya ito? Zenaida Nakasabog, Jocon Solivaga, and Lizelle Cabase. Kung nandito po kayong tatlo, akyat na sa entablado. Let's go! Zenaida Nakasabog, Jocon Solivaga, and Lizelle Cabase. Akyat na po sa stage. Kayo po ang iniintay namin. Agad-agad, let's go! Pagbilang ng 10, pag wala rito, ipaparapol ulit. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Ay, sayang po, naabutan na ng cut-off. Nasa dulo. Okay lang yan. Claim your prize. From Ninang Press Mariel. Siyempre po yung nanalo po ng 2,000 pesos, yung isa pong nanalo ng 2,000 pesos, kindly claim your prize from Sir Job Alvarado right here. Kung sino man po nanalo ng 2,000 pesos, i-claim nyo lang po kay Sir Job Alvarado right here. Ladies and gentlemen, advance happy birthday to our Press Mariel, Ninang Press Mariel. Picture tayo. Congratulations to our 10 winners of 6,000 pesos. Maraming salamat muli. Once again, thank you so much to our press, Ninang President Mariel Astudillo. Palakpakan po natin siya. TPC family, come on! Dahil nakadepende ulit sa lakas ng palakpakan at hiyawan dahil eto na nga, meron pang more!
Congratulations to all the winners. At yon, Telepreneurs, again, happy 13th year. Telepreneurs, we are now 13 years of changing lives. Congratulations to all of us. Happy 13th year, Telepreneurs. God bless us all.